2015 Chevy Captiva. I'm going to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the cabin, the glove box. And there's 3 little screws. 1, 2, 3. And we'll want to remove those. And you want to go ahead and remove the 3 little screws right down here on the bottom. Right here, and right here. And that's going to allow you to pull the whole glove box assembly out. There's 3 little Phillips screws. I usually try and take the bottom ones out first. Go ahead and open up your glove box assembly and take out the top ones. Okay, and screws are removed. Now you can go ahead and take a hold of your glove box assembly and just kind of pull that whole thing out of the dash. There you go. See, it's on the floor. And back here is where the cabin air filter sits. I'm going to take out this little clip. And, oh, that one came undone already. Normally you'll undo this little clip and flip this door up and take out your cabin filter. And then replace it with your new one. Yeah, this one's kind of dirty. And to put it all back together, it's just in reverse of the way you took it out. There's those 3 little screws, and it kind of clips into the dash, and pretty easy.